decided to go to the Cape May Zoo today. It's such a lovely zoo, not too big and not too small, and it's free to get in. You can make a donation if you like. I understand this is the first year they have the capybaras there, and my grandson Kyle's girlfriend Jenna loves the capybaras, so stay tuned. My son Scott rented a little electric scooter to get him around the zoo. It's not too big, but big enough where there's a lot of walking. Scott's having fun spinning around.
Why are you going so slow? What is sport? That is the fastest mode?
Oh, there's Lucas. Lucas, what are you doing? Lucas is riding around on the little motorized cart. Swing around, Lucas. There he goes. And he's off.
All right, kids,
we came to this zoo so Kyle's girlfriend Jenna could see her capybaras. She loves capybaras. So let me walk around and see if I can find some. Sign over there says Cape May Zoo Capybara Encounter. I think they have some baby ones up there I want to go see. Look at this one. This capybara. Look at him with the turtle. And he's smart. He's keeping nice and cool in the water. Because it's hot out today. How cute. So cute. These are baby capybaras. Look at capybaras with their mama. So cute. Look at that. And Jenna got her wish. Here she is with her capybaras in the background. There's a cow over here, and it says caution that the cow swings its tail. Hi, Mr. Cow. Hello. Up there's that tail going. Woo! Yay! The big cow. Here's a Holstein goat. Look. This goat has no ears. Woo, hi. Look at this white one over here. We're feeding him.
The black one or the white one?
They're relaxing are some domestic goats. Hi there, goats. Oh, there's a little white one over there. I know. This is a really nice zoo. Here's a piggy taking a nap. Moving on to another section of the zoo. All 12 of us are here, but not everyone's in the picture because everyone ran in their own directions. They were so excited to see the animals. All around the zoo they have nice areas where you can sit and take a little rest and relax.
I'm gonna go look at an animal right here.
Over there they have the Savannah Garden where you can get milkshakes, ice cream, beverages, and whatnot. Before we go into the African Savannah. We're heading down now to the African Savannah. I want to see that. This is a beautiful zoo. Not too big and not too small. Just perfect. Kona ice, anyone? I'm entering the African Savannah now. Let's see what I can find in there. The giraffe's lifespan is 10 to 15 years in the wild and 25 years in the zoo, and they can grow up to 19 feet tall and 1,500 to 4,000 pounds. The zebra's lifespan is 20 to 25 years, and they grow 4 to 5 feet tall and 500 to 700 pounds. Woo! Oh, look at them. They're so beautiful. Look at that. They just look like they were hand painted. Fascinating. I'll tell you, if you don't believe in God, well, all you have to do is look at these creatures and see how they were created. Absolutely beautiful. Look at that beautiful zebra. There's a little one on the ground that's brown and white, and look at the big one. It's black and white. I love them. Oh, look at that. They're eating the hay from up above. I love zebras. In fact, I have a couple of tops that are zebra print and earrings too. I love animal print fashion. Look at this African lion. He's lying on his back with his legs up, just like Cinnamon does when she sleeps. That's so cute. Taking a nice rest. I see little legs sticking out there. The leopard is under the little deck, so we can't see him. What are you doing under there, Mr. Leopard? They're relaxing are some domestic goats. Hi there, goats. Oh, there's a little white one over there. This is a really nice zoo. There are some domestic camels down there. Look at those humps on that camel. On that camel. Look at the bald eagle over there. He's having his lunch. Yeah. There's the emu taking a little stroll. He's going over to check out the other emu over there. There he is. Hi, emu. Look at that toucan up there. Ah, it's a keel-billed toucan, also known as the rainbow-billed toucan. Woo! Here's a blue and gold macaw. We used to have one of these. And here's a scarlet macaw. We had one of those too. It says prevent forest fires. We're going into the forest area now. We're heading into the North American prairie. Look at the size of that bison. You can make a lot of burgers out of that. The bisons are the largest land mammal in North America. Let's go check out the primates, but it does say they do not make good pets. There's a marmoset. I don't know if you can see them. There's a couple of them. They're hanging up there in the tree. There you go. There goes one. Look at the tails on that. Woo. These are emperor tamarins, and their characteristics are they're the small New World monkeys, and they're identified by their white mustache. Was thought to resemble that of the Emperor Wilhelm III of Germany. Sitting on the edge. Oh, I see a couple jumping around on the trees. Oh, here comes one. Hey, Hey.
Let's keep calling on me.
Oh, hello. Well, there he goes. Hello. There were several peacocks flying over the fence and into the walk. Well, all good things must come to an end. Here we are, finally at the exit, where they're smart to have a gift shop here and a place you can buy beverages, because we're all tired and hot, but it was so much fun at the zoo. Here's a safari cafe, but we're expecting rain tonight, and there is apparently a tornado watch back by our hometown where we came from. So we came to the zoo just in time. We're going to head back home soon to our rental townhouse and relax. I forgot to mention that on the way into the zoo, there's a beautiful playground for the kids. I hope you enjoyed your little trip with us to the Cape May Zoo. So if you're down in South Jersey at all, it's right off the Parkway before you get to Cape May. And like I mentioned earlier, it's free. You know, they have a donation bucket if you want to donate, but that's up to you. And there is a great playground for the kids. There's a place to get refreshments, and there's a gift shop. So spread those wings and take a ride. I think you and your family will enjoy it. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you do, because part 4 is coming up, and it's going to be all about the Wildwood Boardwalk and Duffers.